Hey y'all, welcome to the channel, Jay's Classic Car and Jeep channel. Today we'll be replacing the front brake line. So we've got the old one off, this one right here. It's not in awful shape, but it was starting to rust a little bit, and so decided to go ahead and replace it. We've got the new one right here, and we have our copper crush washer that we'll need to put as well on there. And so yeah, here we go. So yeah, if you look right here, this is where we'll be working. I got the copper crush washer. I want to go ahead and put that on ahead of time. Now I'm just going to go ahead and kind of put it to where it needs to be, male end down, and we're going to start screwing it in. Alright, so we got started, and we're just going to twist it down on either side to get it close to where we need to be. And then we're going to just take our 5/8 flare nut wrench and just tighten it up. And we just want to crush that washer and get a good seal in there. Alright, so there we go.
You have two of them.
Yeah. Alright, so the next place it goes is right here. So we're going to, right here. So we want to kind of push that through, like so. And hopefully not block the shot, which I am. So let's do it like that.
It's feathers falling out of the sky.
Yeah, there are stuff falling out of the sky.
Yep. It looks like I saw a feather fall on it.
Cool. Alright, so just do the angle and all. That doesn't really want to spin easily. So we're going to put a 3/8 on there. Just kind of work its way in, little by little. I think that just jumped. And you just want to be careful not to cross thread that. It's going in easy enough. It's not cross threaded. It's just got a little tension on it. Again, using a flare nut wrench. You can use a regular wrench. Just got to be careful not to round off the head of your fitting. So I'm going to leave it a little loose. Well, I'm actually going to have to loosen it up a little bit, because we need to put a retainer in right here. So I may actually have to take that back out and try it again. Alright, so I had to take it back out, and so we're just going to kind of clip that kind of like so to give it a little flexibility. Alright, so we kind of got it started there finally, and so now we're going to put that clip on before we go too much further, and make sure we can get that clip in. Give a little encouragement. To go where it needs to go. And now we're going to go ahead and, before we send that on home, we're going to tighten this up. There we go. It's on there pretty good at this point. I'm gonna go ahead and give that a couple more love taps, and there it is. It's in there. So hopefully that helps you. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Leave any comments you have down below. Y'all take care. It's time for supper now.